10. A law mandates that all education institutions teach a particular religion. Which constitutional provision does this violate? Is it A, Equal Protection Clause? Is it letter B, Establishment Clause of Religion? Is it letter C, Right to Education? Or is it letter D, Local Autonomy? Okay. Oops, nag-move yung ating ano. Hindi pa pinapakita yung ating answer. Okay. So kung ano man yung answer ninyo, sabi nyo letter C, letter C, letter B, sabi ni Neil at ni Clark. Letter B din, sabi ni Emil. Ang tamang sagot po is indeed letter B. That is Establishment Clause of Religion, which is the Constitution prohibits the government from establishing or favoring a religion, ensuring freedom of belief. In other words, ay hindi dapat magbawal ang constitution or mag-mandate para ituro ang isang partikular na paniniwala ng relihiyon. Hindi nila pwedeng i-demand yon or i-push sa mga tao. Okay, sabi nga, pinoprotektahan ng ating konstitusyon yung state sa church sa pamamagitan ng kanilang separation or yung separation of the church and the state. Hindi nila pwedeng ipilit sa tao ang isang particular na paniniwala o isang particular na relihiyon.